As RVers, we put a lot of miles on our hard-earned investments. Low tire pressure and high tire temperature can cost fuel efficiency and pose potential safety risks. That's why the automotive industry made tire pressure management systems mandatory on all vehicles in 2007. Today, a TPMS is not required on any new or used RV sold, but that doesn't mean that every RVer shouldn't have one. Introducing Linc by Lippert Components, the always-on tire pressure and temperature monitoring system that makes sure you are always safe and prepared for the roads ahead. Additionally, properly inflated tires are the key to fuel efficiency. When RV tires are inflated with the proper amount of pressure, you can improve gas mileage by up to 3%, saving you money and extra stops for fuel. How does it work? Linc's valve stem sensors send tire pressure and temperature updates once per minute right to your smartphone while the RV is in motion. In order to ensure a strong, constant signal, Linc features a repeater which enhances these signals. When combined with LCI's powerful OneControl technology, Linc notifies you when your tire pressures and temperatures are outside the normal range, helping to keep you safe on all your travels. Best of all, Linc is easy to install. Install the repeater dock and snap in the Linc repeater somewhere near the RV tires, typically in a pass-through storage bay. Keep in mind, some RVs come pre-installed with the Linc repeater dock. Look for this sticker for prepped Linc RVs. Next, download the OneControl app and follow the setup instructions. Next, screw in the first valve stem sensor to the driver's side front tire, then pair it to the OneControl app. Following the Linc owner's manual, sync the rest of the RV's tires with the OneControl app. Once all the valve stem sensors are paired, Linc allows you to set the desired low and high pressure thresholds, as well as the high temperature threshold. Linc will now notify you if any of these thresholds have been crossed. Now, you're ready for the road. Linc comes with a repeater dock, and 4 valve stem sensors. Additional sensors are available for purchase, allowing Linc to monitor up to 20 tires at a time for triple axle RVs and tow-behind trailers. Also available for purchase is a Linc alert indicator that gives you simple audio and visual cues in case a tire is experiencing an out-of-range event without having to use the OneControl app. At Lippert Components, your journey is our purpose. We hope Linc provides RVers and trailer owners the peace of mind they deserve while enjoying life on the road.